People with a cut slice our grain. Yes, look at wetin I go slice. E plenty inside. I dey press am. Look at wetin we go slice for the bath again. Then look at wetin I wan slice. I say I go market, real market. This one they need dey talk am. My belt don broke. I have to buy another one. So guys, I don't sharpen my knife. So let's cut the vegetable together. Let's do it. Yes, so also maybe straight. We'll do like this. Guys, I need a make small. Guys, I don't need big. The knife is sharp. Guys, this is the size I need. This size. Hey, our green. You kind of like this before you know it, you don't finish. Ladies, you don't want to see yourself for the next level. Walk, you know one walk. Walk, you know one walk. Nothing you want to. Nothing. For plait hair, you don't know. To make nails, you know sabi. Nothing you know. To sew, you know sabi. No hand work you want to. Just want they turn, they beg money, they ask money. Eh? When they turn, they beg money, they ask money. Young lady. Wetin dey worry yourself? One just they turn, they beg. That's what you want am. Money you know get. Then you know go sit down quiet. Say make you find what you go do. Hair you know to do. Nothing you want do. Then you wait make some man come carry you put on the house. When the man put you for house, nothing you no get, nothing you don't do. You don't get any hand work, nothing. No hand work you no get. Nothing you no get. No hand work you get, nothing. Young ladies, go and learn work. Go and learn work, young ladies. No work you no want to do. No hand work you no want to do. Sewing you know sabi. Hairdressing you don't know. Nothing you know. You only know how to buy hair.